I love to cook, and even more, I love to eat. But I hate wasting the time in the kitchen, chopping onions, mincing garlic. It just takes way too much time. With the Ninja Pulse, you can effortlessly chop fresh ingredients without the mush. Now, let me introduce you to the next function, food processing. This is one of my favorite recipes, mango salsa. It's great with tortilla chips or even over pork chops. This is a true testament to the Pulse technology. Now, let me walk you through this. First, you're gonna need mango, cilantro, green pepper, jalapeno, gotta love the spice, red onion, tomato, and fresh lime juice. Let's get started. Now, I'm gonna use the Ninja Blade system in my 40-ounce processing bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and place the mango in. The wonderful thing about the Ninja Blade system is you don't even have to really chop anything up. We do the work for you. All right, let's get this in. Looking good. Okay. Add some peppers. I love spicy. Now look at that. That's not even chopped. We're gonna do all of the work. Okay. Some fresh cilantro. Really adds a nice fresh flavor to it. And we've got our onions. Just plop those in. Tomato. Smells great. Okay, and then I'm gonna pour just a little bit of lime juice over the top. Wonderful. Okay, now we're ready to go. Go ahead and attach the Pulse lid, always with the pour spout lining up with the pour spout on the processor bowl. Let's go ahead and attach that. Push down. Let's put the handle down. Okay. Now, make sure your handle on your bowl is lined up with the icons on the base. Turn it around, making sure that it's locked in the forward position. Make sure your arrows are aligned. Now we're ready to go. Now again, with food processing, you don't want to over-process anything. With the Pulse action, you want to do it in quick motions so that it evenly chops without the mush. Let's get started. Look at how pretty that is. And we're done. All right. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. Let's go ahead and take this off and serve up a little bit. Now, how wonderful is this on a nice hot day or even just over a wonderful piece of grilled meat?